Welcome to FruitScout Precision Crop Load Management. Crop load management is the balancing act of tuning your crop load to maximize profit. The practice can unlock thousands of dollars per acre in revenue, but requires precision data to make the right decisions. With FruitScout, you point your phone at your trees and get the data you need to run your orchard. We call it photo scouting. Now, collecting all the data is simply taking a picture. This video is about how to understand and use that data in the FruitScout Crop Load Management dashboard. We are going to cover determining optimal crop load, winter pruning, bloom thinning, and fruitlet thinning. The first step in the process is determining the optimal crop load for each tree. AFS has implemented a system based on work done at WSU, Cornell, UMass Amherst, and others, where the optimal crop load for an individual tree is based on the diameter of the tree trunk. With FruitScout, taking the measurement is simply taking a picture of the tree trunk. Then, the data is in the system as a FruitScout report. To start using the data in the crop load management dashboard, you simply select the FruitScout report. In the main table, we can look at the trunk area. At the orchard level, we can see the total trunk cross-sectional area and how that translates into the optimal crop load. This is a direct measurement of the orchard's total capacity to produce fruit. In this section of the view, we can get a peek into what makes up the orchard. Each square represents a block, and the color represents its individual crop load. The dashboard also allows you to drill down into views at the block, row, and individual tree level. At the block level, this is the target yield per block. In later stages of the season, the block level view will tell you which blocks need more pruning and thinning, and which blocks are on target. At the row level view, we have orchard, block, row, the time it took to photo scout that row, as well as the total trunk area and optimal crop load for each row. And now in this section, each dot represents an individual tree. Clicking on that dot brings up the image of that tree. These are the recommended cross-sectional area factors for each variety. You can change these values based on your experience, and an arrow allows you to reset them to default. You can also adjust the system's recommended target numbers for each of the thinning phases, giving yourself a buffer for drop through the season from weather, birds, or other factors. So let's make the pruning target a bit lower. You can see the targets changing. It shows on this line where they're relative to each other. You can also adjust the tolerance, the acceptable plus or minus range, based on your expectations. So let's make the tolerance 5%. I can save my settings in my own view and share that view with others. I can also set notifications and alerts, make notes and comments that show up in the view and are sent to the users by email. In this video, we've covered how FruitScout uses just a picture to measure trunk size and determine optimal crop load for every tree, setting the targets for the rest of the season. In the next video, we'll discuss precision pruning. Thanks for watching.